Judge denies recusal request. Judge Tanya Schuin, who is overseeing the federal criminal case against Donald Trump related to his alleged efforts to undermine the 2020 election, has rejected Trump's request for her to recuse herself from the case. Gag order pending in federal case. Meanwhile, the court is still awaiting a ruling on special counsel Jack Smith's request for a limited gag order to be imposed on Donald Trump in the same federal case. Prosecutors seek protective order in Georgia case. In a separate legal battle in Georgia, prosecutors are expressing concerns about the defense tactics. Fulton County DA Fannie Willis has petitioned the judge to issue a protective order on discovery materials. This move comes in response to previous instances of doxing, where personal information, including home addresses of her family members, was leaked. Timing of protective order raises questions. Some have questioned the timing of the protective order request, as discovery materials have already been shared with the defense. Typically, such requests are made when the discovery is initially handed over, not after the fact. However, the state argued that they raised concerns about the need for a protective order almost a month ago, suggesting that there may have been some specific incidents that prompted this action. Protective measures amid unprecedented threats. DA Willis's request for protective measures is driven by the unprecedented nature of threats and harassment faced by her and her family. Doxing incidents have added to the urgency of protecting sensitive information, as well as concerns about the safety of grand jury members. Controversy surrounds phone call evidence. The use of a crucial piece of evidence, the phone call between Trump and Brad Raffensperger, has also sparked controversy. Trump is reportedly seeking to suppress this evidence, arguing that the recording of the call was illegal because it took place in Florida, a two-party consent state. Potential impact on the trial. If the court determines that the phone call was unlawfully recorded, it may not be admissible as evidence against Trump. He claims that both parties on the call must consent to being recorded. However, legal experts point out that there are arguments the DA could make to counter this claim. They could assert that Georgia, not Florida, is the relevant jurisdiction, and that there was no expectation of privacy given the multiple participants on the call. Uncertainty surrounding federal case transfer. In another legal development, Jeffrey Clark and 3 fake electors are awaiting a decision on whether they can move their case to federal court. This decision has been eagerly anticipated, as it could impact the direction of the case. While some believe that Mark Meadows had a strong argument in favor of the transfer, the timing of the judge's ruling has surprised many, and the outcome remains uncertain. Conclusion. These legal developments highlight the complexity and contentious nature of the legal battles involving Donald Trump. The denial of recusal, the request for protective orders, the controversy over evidence, and the potential federal case transfer all contribute to the ongoing legal saga surrounding the former president.